there's a couple of good news is walillah alhamd. I want you to all know one thing is when Allah wants something to happen, He makes it happen. And it's beyond literally. So inshallah, we're going to have a couple of things in Jannah Institute. So we're going to have the following. As I told you when we did the summer intensive, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed us how much there is a need for learning and how much there is an interest in learning, which is the two things. Is not only the need, but also there is interest. So we decided the following. There's going to be an after-school program for the youth. Islamic studies, not Quran, it's not Tajweed, it's Islamic studies. And we're going to actually divide them. This is one of the things we learned from the summer intensive. So there will be a high schooler and there will be middle schooler. I don't have younger yet. I don't have space, unfortunately. Allah will give us, inshallah, bigger. So we will have 2 days a week. It's going to be 5 to 7. Alhamdulillah, we just finalized the teachers. We finalized the curriculum and everything. So Monday and Wednesday will be the boys, 5 to 7, the high schooler one and the middle schooler. And Tuesdays and Thursdays will be the girls, also 5 to 7. It's going to be serious. It's not going to be scary, but it's not going to be halaqah. Those of you who were with me in the morning, you've seen the difference between a halaqah and a class. There's a huge difference between class and a halaqah. Class is we call it passive learning. You're just listening. But in a class is, and number one is an interactive, and number two, there is work you have to do. And this is what we need for the youth also, to take it more seriously, but it's also going to be fun. It's a 1-year program. So starting mid-September, in 2 weeks, inshallah, and we will end up with June. Same breaks of the school and the same breaks for the national holidays, all is that. Okay, and I'm going to say this, and I know I'm going to say it, and I know it's going to happen, but I still have to say it. Ma'diratan ila rabbikum. The class size is very small, and it's not going to be online. So if you are interested, don't leave it to the last day, because once the class is full, I cannot accept. Where will I put them? And the students has a right. So if you are planning, you have all the information, we just finalize it, walillah alhamd. So if you have all the information is outside, go ahead and register. All the details, everything it's actually on our website. So maybe not today and tomorrow, the whole detail is going to be very soon. So that's number one. And then once this, probably by the end of September, I will be teaching a serious class for serious students. It's on Wednesday night, because this is for the people who work and people who can't come in the morning. And this will be a 6-week course covering subjects. And you will get this. This is probably by the end of September. But the one that's starting next week is the Year of Knowledge. The Year of Knowledge is mainly an online program, which I've been going for. This is the 4th year. But alhamdulillah, now we have a space, so it's going to be hybrid. Hybrid meaning some of the classes you will take it online because the teachers are not here. One of them is in Malaysia, and one of them is actually in Tennessee. The 3 ones I teach. The on-site is very limited. I have only 2 left, because this is serious classes. So the online we have close to 60, and I closed it. Normally we take more, but I closed it last week, and today who reached out and they wanted to join? And I said, of course, yes. Do you know Sean King? The one who just accepted Islam, his wife. And I was like, for sure we'll take her. Allah will put barakah. So please, the reason I'm saying is, if you are thinking and you're planning, do it ASAP. Don't do it the last day, because it is very hard for me to say no. Allah my witness. Because how can somebody really wants to learn and you tell them no? But also there's logistics. And the people who register, they have rights. So these are the main 3 things. These are the 24, 25-year programs. And then we have the Women Conference. The Women Conference is exactly in 4 weeks. Saturday, the 28th, you have the lineup of these teachers, of these scholars, and it's going to be a very controversial subject. But we have to start talking about the controversial ones. And it is faith and feminism. Can they live together? And it's 12 and above. 12 and above, and there will be babysitting, or there will be child care. It's going to be in Garden Grove because of the space. And we already have 1/4 filled. So again, if you're planning, don't come at the door like every year. Subhanallah, every year at the door and says, well, whatever, Where will I put you? So again, here the registration is open. The registration here is open, so go ahead if you are interested. And I'm planning, inshallah, it will help next day, because Sheikh Aisha Prime is staying. So I'm going to do one for the youth only, question and answers. It's going to be me and her only, no mothers. And it's going to be the youth. This one is not finalized yet. I'm still working on. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Allah is opening a lot of khair here. And the only way, and I said the only way, you are really grateful to Allah is by taking up these opportunities. Don't say next year. Don't say, well, let's see how it's going to go. Don't do that, because once you don't know what will happen next year, whether you or me, I'm here, you're here, we're moving, Allah knows.